Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to send a photo you take directly from your PC camera using the latest WhatsApp web update. If you want to capture a moment and share it instantly with your friends or family, you can do it right from your computer. No need to transfer files from your phone. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp website and scanning the QR code with your phone, just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, head over to the chat where you want to send your photo. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Now, look at the bottom of the chat window. You'll see a plus icon. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Camera. If this is your first time using the camera feature on WhatsApp web, your browser might ask for permission to access your camera. Make sure to allow it so you can take photos directly from your PC. With the camera now active, get ready to capture your shot. Position yourself or your subject in front of the camera, and when you're ready, click the camera icon on the screen. This will instantly take a photo using your computer's webcam. Once you've taken the photo, you'll see a preview. If you're happy with it, go ahead and click Send. Your freshly taken photo will be delivered straight into the chat, just like any other image. If you want to retake the photo, you can do so before sending. That's all there is to it. With this new update, sharing moments in real time from your PC is easier than ever. Whether you're working from your desk or just want to snap a quick picture, WhatsApp web makes it simple and convenient. Give it a try and start sharing your world instantly, right from your computer.